Hello guys, Godzilla here, and tonight we are watching this big bad storm that's touching in. The whole rain looks a little bit like a flood. Not honestly, but honestly a strong wind. Yeah, that's a big rain. So yeah. Yeah, this is a strong storm that touched down here. Ooh, that wind is really strong. Kinda. The last minutes ago with the wind I saw looked like a shockwave that got really strong. Almost like it can literally can like try to blow away like a small thing or anything. But anywho, like and subscribe if you love having peace during rain hours. Anyways, good night, and probably see you on the next video. Bye.